Here we come to another elevator at Haynes Arts Center at University of North Carolina, Chapel Hill, North Carolina. This is Southern as well. This is much more bigger than the freight elevator. I actually meant to say Haynes Arts Center, not Keaton. I don't know why I say that when I film the freight elevator. I apologize about that, guys. But look at this thing. This is huge. Wow, this is much more bigger than the freight elevator. Are you going down?
I'm going down.
What floor would you like?
First, two.
I guess what goes down must go up. Installed in 1982. This is the basement.
I think it's us, yeah.
And there goes the chime. This one does not work. This is your floor.
Thank you.
Have a great day, girls. Door close button does not work, but look how big this thing is. My gosh. This thing is huge. Wow, this is big. Listen to this motor. Indicator for the most part is pretty much burned out. Let's see if we can get an uninterrupted ride the entire time. All right, full sun trip, here we go. Door close one does not work. Phone. See if we can make it up. Awesome. I tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stop at 2 and we're gonna come back up to 3 again because I just wanted to listen to the epic sounding of this motor. It's gotta have a Canton sounding submersible pump unit, I gotta say. Let's just hope the elevator doesn't get called with people getting on board. Just happened a little while ago, because there's people coming in and out each time, and it just gets too crowded. All right, let's close the door quick before people start getting on. Door close button does not work. All right, you ready to hear this motor? And 3, 2, 1. All right, back down one and there. No wonder, this thing is like 10,500 pounds, but the freight elevator is only 2,500. That doesn't make any sense. This is actually much more bigger than the freight elevator. This is definitely much bigger than the freight. Like this thing, look how big, this is a large elevator. This is one of the largest elevators here at UNC. This is definitely one of the biggest elevator I've ever seen. Most of the big elevators, because this is supposedly freight, and the smaller one should be a passenger. The small one should be a passenger, and then the big should be the freight. And also, the freight elevator only serves 2 floors in this one. The freight elevator only serves 1 and B, but this one serves at least the 4 more floors from B through 3. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.